Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Chrome tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to use Chrome extensions in Incognito. This is actually quite simple. To do this I first open Google Chrome and I will open the Incognito mode to show you that no extensions are currently being used here. To be able to display the extensions in Google Chrome's Incognito mode, we have to go back to the normal mode, click on the extension icon up here and go to Manage Extensions. First of all, it should be mentioned that there is no global function with which I can use all extensions in Incognito mode. I have to activate this function individually for each extension. So I click on Details for the relevant extension, and here I find the option Allow in Incognito. I activate this function and open the Incognito mode in Google Chrome again. And now we can see that the extension is now also available in Incognito mode. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!